In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Inkscape. Let's get started by opening Inkscape. When the program loads, you'll see a blank document with a white page in the center. That white area is your canvas, which is where everything you design will appear when you export or print. Think of it as the stage for your artwork. If you've just launched Inkscape, you don't need to change any settings for this. We'll go straight to creating a simple, solid background that sits behind your design. Next, we'll select the rectangle tool. The quickest way is to press R on your keyboard. You'll notice your cursor change to indicate you're in rectangle mode. This tool is perfect for backgrounds because it lets you create a clean, solid shape that can cover the entire canvas in one move. Now draw the rectangle so it spans the whole page. Click near one corner of the canvas, then drag diagonally to the opposite corner until the shape fully covers the white area. If you can see the page outline, aim to match it closely so there are no gaps at the edges. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always adjust the corners by dragging them if you need to nudge the edges to fit. With the rectangle still selected, let's give it a color. Along the bottom of the Inkscape window, you'll find the color palette. Simply click any swatch to apply that color to the rectangle. You should see the fill change immediately. If you notice a thin outline around the shape, that's just the stroke, which is normal. The important part is that the fill becomes the background color you want. Choose a shade that complements your artwork or helps your content stand out. Finally, we want the rectangle to sit behind everything else, so it behaves like a true background. Go to the top menu, click Object, and choose Lower to Bottom. This sends the rectangle all the way to the back of the stacking order, so any existing or new objects you add will appear above it. You'll still be able to select the background when needed, but it will stay behind your artwork as you continue designing. And that's it. You've opened Inkscape, selected the rectangle tool, drawn a full-page shape, applied a color, and moved it to the back. You now have a clean, customizable background ready to support your design.